DJI Mic 2 not connecting to DJI Pocket 3. Welcome to the how to do it. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to connect DJI Mic 2 with your DJI Pocket 3. It's very easy to do. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. Now let's watch the video till the end and learn how to connect DJI Pocket 3 with DJI Mic. First of all, you have to switch it on. Okay, it's switched on now, and after that you have to switch on your microphone. Press and hold this start button, switch on button. Now it's ready to pair. You have to press and hold this record button for few seconds until it starts blinking blue. Oh no, press again. It should be started in blinking blue. After that you have to go to the your camera settings, wireless mic, TRS, and after it will start searching. Press and hold this connect button. Now it's blinking. Now it will connect. It should be closer to your camera and confirm. Now you can check it out. The microphone is working. So that's the way how you can easily connect DJI mic with DJI Pocket 3. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.